Hello guys, welcome to part 8 of SQL tutorial. Like operator in SQL. The like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specific pattern in a column. The SQL like clause is used to compare a value to similar values using wildcard operators. There are two wildcard operators, the percentage and the underscore. Percentage represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. The underscore represent one or single character. As you can see, the syntax, the like is used in a where. Few examples are given which show the usage of percentage and the underscore operators. First, find any value that start with 200. As you can see, the percentage operator is used. In second example also, the percentage operator is used, but in first and the last. 200 is used in the middle and it will find the value that have 200 in any position. In third example, you can see it will find any value that have 00 in a second and third position. In fourth example, find any value that end with value 2. In fifth example, find any value that have a 2 in second position and end with a 3. In sixth example, you can see find any value that start with 2 and are at least 3 character in length. In seventh example, find any value in a 5-digit number that start with 2 and end with 3. Now, to further have the knowledge of the like operator, you have to first create the customer table in which we will use the queries. The first example show it will select all the customer with the name starting with letter K. In the second example, this query will select all the customer with the name ending with K. In this example, all customer with the name that have A in the second position will be shown. This SQL query will select all the customer with the name that start with M and are at least 3 character in length. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like. Thank you.